Hi there. Welcome to the Mary Kay VR experience. So, you've heard of Mary Kay, right?
Yes.
Want to take a closer look? Creating avatar. Complete. Time to power up. Everyone has different goals when they start a Mary Kay business, which is perfect because anyone can fit a Mary Kay business into their life. Whether you just want extra money, are looking for personal growth, or want to explore a larger opportunity. Let's take a look. Getting started is easy. You just tell the people you know about the amazing research-backed products you now have access to. And you can make up to 50% profit on everything you sell at suggested retail.
The great thing about Mary Kay Mineral SPF 30 sunscreen is that it's wonderful, and you can wear it by the pool.
And Mary Kay gives you the flexibility to build your business around your schedule and your lifestyle. Mary Kay empowers women by giving them the opportunity for personal development. You'll learn from the best, and you'll have team members there to support you every step of the way. And if you decide to grow your business, you can help others achieve their goals too. Talk about being an influencer.
I thought I would only do this a few hours a week, but I cannot get enough. It really works for my life, and I think you would be fantastic.
No matter where you see yourself. From earning extra money for fun and adventure, or powering up to new opportunities. Power up with Mary Kay, an opportunity that fits your life and helps you influence and empower others. Is this something you'd like to explore? Now it's your turn. Power up the Mary Kay opportunity in a whole new light.